This video is sponsored by Buymote. பைமோட்டில் நமது வீட்டிற்கு தேவையான மளிகை பொருட்கள், காய்கறிகள், பழங்கள், தானியங்கள் போன்றவற்றை வாங்கலாம். பைமோட் ஆப்பை கூகுள் பிளே ஸ்டோர் அண்ட் ஆப் ஸ்டோரில் டவுன்லோட் செய்து நமக்கு தேவையானவற்றை வாங்கி நாம் பயன்பெறுவோம். Mahabalipuram is a town in Sengalpattu district in the southeastern India, state of Tamil Nadu. Best known for the UNESCO World Heritage Site of 7th and 8th century Hindu group of monument at Mahabalipuram. It is one of the famous tourist sites in India. The ancient name of the place is Tirukanamalai. It is a part of Chennai metropolitan area. It is a satellite town of Chennai. Mahabalipuram was one of two major port sites in the Pallava kingdom. The town was named after Pallava king Narasimhavarman, who was also known as Mamalla. Along with economic prosperity, it became the site of a group of royal monuments, many carved out of the living rock. These are dated to the 7th and 8th centuries. The temples of Mahabalipuram, portraying events described in the Mahabharata, were built largely during the reigns of King Narasimhavarman and his successor Rajasimhavarman, and show the movement from rock art architecture to structural building. The city of Mahabalipuram was founded by the Pallava king Narasimhavarman in the 7th century. The mandapa or pavilions and the rathas or shrines shaped as temple chariots are hewn from the granite rock face, while the famed shore temple, erected half a century later, is built from dressed stone. What makes Mahabalipuram so culturally resonant are the influences it absorbs and disseminates. The shore temple includes many reliefs, including 100 feet long and 45 feet high, carved out of granite. In 1957, the Government College of Architecture and Sculpture was established to promote and review the art of making sculptures and temples. Transport service. MTC and TNSTC operate bus services between Mahabalipuram and Chennai, Sengalpattu, Kanchipuram, Tirutani, etc. MTC's bus services available from various parts of Chennai include deluxe and air conditioned buses. Mahabalipuram is